Want to know how to send follow-up emails automatically after support is resolved? This quick 3-minute tutorial will show you how to set it up effortlessly. If you've been looking for a simple way to keep your customers engaged after support cases are closed, stick around because you're going to love what I'm about to show you. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to automate those crucial follow-ups, saving you time and enhancing customer satisfaction. We'll be using a powerful piece of software to get this done, and I've tested all the popular options out there for you. In fact, I've partnered up with the software we'll be using to give you an exclusive free trial, so you can follow along step by step. The link is in the description below. First, let's talk about why you'd want to automate follow-up emails. After a support issue is resolved, sending a follow-up email is key for customer retention. It shows that you care about their experience, and it can also encourage feedback that helps improve your service. But doing this manually every time can take up a lot of time. That's where automation comes in. It lets you set it once and let the software handle the rest. Now, let's get into the setup. The software we'll be using here lets you trigger follow-up emails automatically based on your support resolution. To start, log into your account and navigate to the Automation or Workflow section. In most software, this is usually under Settings or Automation. Next, you'll want to create a new workflow. This will be the action that triggers your follow-up email after a support ticket is marked as resolved. Choose the trigger that says Support Ticket Resolved or something similar. This is the event that will kick off your automation. Now it's time to design your follow-up email. You want to make sure it's personal, even though it's automated. Add a greeting that addresses your customer by name, thank them for their patience, and ask if everything is working well now that the issue has been resolved. This is also a great time to include a feedback link so they can rate their support experience. After that, it's just a matter of setting the timing. Most software lets you set the delay between the resolution and the email being sent. I recommend giving your customer at least 24 hours to use the solution you provided, and then the follow-up email will be sent. This ensures the timing is just right. Once everything looks good, hit save and you're done. From now on, your software will automatically send follow-up emails after support is resolved. It's a simple, yet powerful way to ensure your customers feel cared for and give you the opportunity to gather feedback. So, what's the key takeaway here? Setting up automated follow-up emails after support is resolved is a game changer. It saves you time, improves your customer relationships, and encourages valuable feedback. Just set it up once and let the software do the rest. And remember, I highly recommend you take advantage of the exclusive free trial for the software we used in this video. The link is in the description below, and it's only available to viewers of this channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.